Esquire is over here at Sneaker Swap, and I think I found the first booth that have a size 15. Yo, my man, how difficult is it for you to find a size 15? Because it's difficult for me, and I wear it. So how difficult is it?
I'm not gonna lie, it's one of those sizes that I don't even buy as long as I have a customer for it. You know what I'm saying? So unless I have a customer for it, I normally don't get into those sizes because it really is a hard to sell. But I know there are people that the 13s, 14s, and 15s that do have a harder time finding sneakers. So we try to carry a couple of them in. So we do have a store location in Pine, so we do try to carry a couple big sizes. But it's one of those where I prefer to have a customer, confirm with the customer if they want the sneaker, and then I'll grab it. But more or less, we try to. I want to say it's pretty hard, bro. It's pretty hard.
Listen, you as somebody who has a business is saying it's difficult. So me as a consumer who I go all over, bro. It's the most difficult shoe to find. I don't understand it. I don't. For it to be such a rare shoe, the rare size, I can't find it.
And not only that, it doesn't. You don't see it too often. If you do find a 15 that you may like, you might not really be too much into it.
Exactly.
So to find the size is one thing, and to find the one that you like in that size is also another thing. So it's definitely a task.
That's one of the things I find, because originally before I became a sneakerhead, I used to just get all basketball shoes, big shoes, anything that I knew to find my size.
Right.
I didn't know they had like stylish stuff, like lifestyle shoes. So man, you were like, yo, show the people, show the audience like some of the kicks that you got in a size 15.
Right. So right now we only brought a couple of pairs size 15. We have this sneaker right here, which is a Yeezy 700 Boost in a size 15. Very comfortable lifestyle sneaker. You can wear this anywhere. It doesn't have to be for a performance. You can wear this out and have a good time and look fly, you know what I'm saying? We also brought these Air Jordan 5s in a size 15 as well. This would be a more on performance sneaker, but you can do pretty much anything. You can look fly and wear it out, you know what I'm saying? So these are the only two sneakers we have here in a 15. Like I said, it's a really tough size, but we try to carry it, you know what I'm saying? Definitely.
So like, what are some of the normal size fit? Do you get anything like Dunks in the size 15?
Dunks in a size 15 for sure. It just doesn't come as often for sure. But they definitely come, but we also get, I want to say Jordans. I've had a couple Kobe's in a size 15. Mainly basketball stuff in a size 15 is what comes pretty often. Keep a shoe that I can't keep in stock right here on this table, I would probably say is between, man, these have been one of the better sellers right here. All of these right here. The Powerpuff Girl Dunks. We have all three colorways. The Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup. Those have been one of the best-selling shoes for me.
That's
as
crazy.
of recent.
Odd story. I won on a raffle on CCS.
Okay.
And I hit for a 15. I was stoked.
Okay.
They sent me an email the next day and said, yeah, we sent you the wrong size. We sent you a size 10.
Wow.
But it's like
so you thought you were getting your size, and then they hit you with the...
Yeah, which means, all that means is somebody backdoored it or whatever.
Either that or, bro, those, like I said, those sizes go to people that know people. You know what I'm
that's
saying?
exactly what it is.
Those sizes are really, really rare.
Hopefully, because I know you guys right now.
Yeah, for sure.
You guys in Pines, I'm not too far. I live in Fort Lauderdale. So hopefully right now, like I said, you got you a customer, bro.
Sounds good.
Let me ask you a question. What does it mean to be a sneakerhead to you?
Bro, it means everything. I've been collecting sneakers since I was 12 years old, and I was blessed enough to be able to start my own business and continue to do what I love. You know what I'm saying? It's something you got to put your time in to see the results, but I definitely feel like if you appreciate the culture and the sneaker and all of that kind of stuff, you will see the results for sure. So one thing I learned definitely is what's in now won't be what's in later. You know what I'm saying? There's always trends, and as a business owner, a sneaker store owner, it's always important to follow what's hype right now. If the people like what's going on right now, invest in that. You know what I'm saying? But don't put too much of your time into it, because you may not know what it's going to come out to in the future. You know what I'm saying? So it's very important to buy smart, buy what you know, and pretty much that's it, man. That's it. Just because it's sitting, that doesn't mean you shouldn't buy it, because you don't know what one customer might like. Just want to say God is good, and if you ever need some sneakers, if you ever need some clothing, come check us out at Stepped On Kicks, 12399 Pembroke Road. We just started up about a month ago, so if you're in the area, man, come out and support. You can follow us on Instagram, Stepped On Kicks, and and the address is right on the bio. So like I said, if y'all want to come and show support, that would be love right there. But if not, it's all good, man. But that's the only thing I gotta say. I'm with my family. I'm with my little brother here. God is good, and that's all we can do. One more time.
Best in the business. Stepped on kicks.
There you go.
Listen.
And that's it.
Listen, this man got a size 15, so we about to be in Pembroke Pines a lot, because this man got a 15. So anytime I hit you up and be like, yo, you got a 15? Let me know.
I'll send you all the 15s I have. So you don't even have to ask. I'll be like, yo, 15, let me know what's up.
It's already on.
And I got you.
Esquash, we out. Boom. All you got to do is follow me.